In exponent rules part 5, we have this final one where we combine all the rules together. Suppose we have this example where we have just this fraction 5a squared divided by this whole thing underneath where it looks complicated at first. Even though this looks complicated, all we have to do is just combine all of our rules. I don't like these parentheses to begin off, and the reason why is because it looks more complicated. The way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to remember the power rule. So in order for me to do the power rule, all I simply have to do is take this 4 and put it across all the different things. So I say 2 to the power of 4, and then lastly I have a, and remember, I have 3 and the 4, and so I multiply them all together. Well, now I look and I see, oh, I have a squared over a to the power of 12. This is another rule. This was called the quotient rule. And so if I remember, the quotient rule tells me that I have to subtract these two things. And so what I'm left with is that I'm left with a 2 minus 12 giving me negative 10. And look, I have negative 10. I don't like the negative exponent. What am I going to do? I'm going to make it from a negative to a positive by using the negative exponent rule. This gives me a to the power of 10. Now that I have this information, I'm going to combine them all together. 5 was left on top because I didn't do anything with it. 2 to the power of 4 is left on the bottom because, again, I didn't do anything with it. And then a to the power of 10. Luckily, if you do 2 to the power of 4, what you can do is sometimes simplify it. 2 to the power of 4 gives me 16, leaving me with my final answer, 5 divided by 16 times a to the power of 10. And so that is how we're going to combine all the rules, looking at different ones and seeing which rule is being applied.